Hello viewers, welcome to today's class. Now, one of my students sent this to me. She wants me to help her find the value of x. Now, I've said again and again, anytime we have problems of this nature, we have it in this form of shape, we have it as a circle or generally in geometry, that we are at liberty to make constructions. Look at what I mean by that. For example, I can decide to extend this line, this straight line, look at this line, and label it towards point D. I can label here point F. You see, I've formed a new triangle. Look at ADC or ACD as the case may be. I also have another triangle here, BFD as the case may be. So this is now a straight line. So I can bring out my line. This is my A and D, and then I have here as my 140 and decide to call here my angle A. So look at here, I want to call here angle A. So I can find what this angle A is. And using the principle of what sum of angles on a straight line is going to give us 180. I'm going to have this to become that 140 plus A is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, my A is what? 180 minus 140, and A is giving me what? 40 degrees. Having found my A as 40 degrees, this is equal to 40 degrees, it becomes easier for me to find x. For me to find x, I need to know what this angle here is going to be. Let me just call it my y. Okay, there's another very important law in triangle that says that the external angle is equal to the sum of the opposite internal angles. The sum of the opposite internal angles is equal to the external angle or the exterior angle. Let me also try to replicate this diagram in a way we understand it better. So if I have a triangle like this, for example, this is the external angle. Let me label it C. This is the opposite internal angles, A, B. So we are doing that A plus B is equal to C. That is what the law here says. Maybe I should also draw another triangle that will look somewhat like this. So if I have another one like this, where here is like this, okay? Here is my C, see, here is my B, here is my A. So A plus B also is going to give us our C. That is exactly what this law is saying. So that means that my Y is going to give me 40 plus 20, which means Y is equal to what? 60 degrees. So we know the reason for this, that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. That's what gave us that y as 60. Now, having found y, I now focus on this triangle ACD and have it to be that my x plus my y plus, of course, here is 90 degrees, is going to give me 180 degrees. I know the reason also. Sum of angles in a triangle will give us 180 degrees. Now, I finish up. This is going to give me that x plus my 60 plus 90 is going to give me 180 degrees. So therefore, I have my x to be equal to, this will give me 150. So I have 180 minus 150. Remember that 60 plus 90 is giving us 150. So this ends up giving us our x to be equal to 30 degrees. So my x give us 30 degrees. And that's all about this very problem.